Phil Morganti, Reading, PA. We were over at my son's about a year ago, and he had redone his back door, and it was very nice. And they asked where he had it done, and they gave me Joyland's name, and I called, and Mike came over, and went from there. Well, our doors, being an old house and stuff like that, when we were younger, we did a lot of stuff ourselves. And a friend of mine and I put the back door and the screen door in, and it was probably about 30 years old and just wasn't shutting right. And all our screen doors, you had to kind of pry the windows out to clean them because they were just really a mess. We called Mike and had that door done first, and we had the pass door and the screen door done. So, because the old pass door was not in the best of shape either. So we inquired about the two front doors, but it was getting late in the year, and we thought we were going to wait till spring. I wanted to get the screen doors done so they were in decent shape, so when the weather gets warmer, we'll take the front doors off. Mike was great. He had all the information and helped us with the hardware and the style and all that kind of stuff, because it's quite a few of them to pick from. So he was very helpful with that. It was just simple. Guys did a great job. It's just very professional, and we had a problem with that screen door, and I think it was Andrew said, we'll send somebody out, and a couple weeks later, the guy came out and fixed it and was on his way, and the doors were fantastic. They just closed nice, and they're tight, and everything we didn't have before. They were great. If I had more doors, I'd have more doors done.